Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did a press-on set for my client. So first we're going to be prepping the nails by using some acetone, and using acetone is just one of 3 ways I use to prep nails, and the other 2 ways are by buffing them or by putting primer on them. And all of these reasons is just to get the shine off of the nails so that the gel polish could stick to the nails better. So today we're using acetone, and of course we're going to be doing that for all 10 nails, and then we're going to go in with our design. If you're new here, my name is Shameen, and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So what we're starting off today with is Mint Cake Pop from iGel Beauty, and I'm going to be applying that to the thumb, the index, and to the pinky finger. The other 2 nails are the accent nails for the design we're going to be doing today, which is a leopard or a cheetah print nail design which my client requested. The shape and length, as you can see, is long stiletto. So I haven't done stiletto nails in a really long time for any client, so I was really happy for the opportunity to do it. The base color for the accent nails is white or baby powder from iGel Beauty. So I'll just be applying about 2 to 3 coats of each color onto the nails, and of course you cure in between each coat for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to be doing our design. I use a lot of polishes from iGel Beauty, especially for my press-on nail business, and they have this Facebook group, and a while ago I posted one of the sets I created in the group, and recently one of their members reached out to me and asked me if they could use my photo to share on their page, on their IG page, and I was like super happy because I've been using their products for a really long time, so to have that feature was really cool. This is the set that was featured, and I actually have a YouTube short of it, so you can feel free to go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So now I'm just taking out the accent nails to do the leopard print design, and I'm using the painting gel or the painting pot gel from iGel Beauty in black. So I have to give it a good stir because sometimes when the polish sits down for too long it tends to separate, so we really want to stir it up to make sure everything mixes well together, and then we're going to start our leopard design. Doing the leopard design is pretty easy. It's one of my favorite designs to do, not only because I like animal print, but also because this is super easy and you don't have to be very precise about what you're doing. So making sure you have enough polish on your toothpick. Well, I just use a toothpick. Some people use nail art brushes, but for me the toothpick works just as great. And with leopard print, you're just basically making squiggly circles and semicircles in groups of 3 and 2 over the entire nail to form your leopard print. And then of course you put some random spots in between it, and boom, leopard print instantly. So we'll speed up the video a bit while we do this leopard print, and then we'll put this in the UV lamp to cure for a full minute because the painting gel is actually very thick and we want it to cure properly. These are the accent nails after they are finished curing, and now we're going to fill in those spots with the same turquoise color, Mint Cake Pop. So I'm just putting some of my mixing palette here, and I'm going to be using the same toothpick to fill in those spots. If you like nail videos like this, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, especially if you're new here, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a nail video. I have like a whole lot of content to upload, so many ideas that I just want to get out on this channel. And of course feel free to follow me on my Instagram page for press-on nails and other nail related stuff. It is 123_press on Instagram, and on TikTok you can find me at ShimIsNotMean. I have like different names everywhere, but I'm working on getting one name for everything, so I'm not sure if I'll go with Shameen or if I'll continue with 123press. I'm not sure, working on it, so we'll see what happens. Once I've filled in all of the spots and I'm satisfied with how the nail looks, I'm going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and I'm just here doing the other nail, and after that this one is also going to cure for 30 seconds, and when it comes up we're going to encapsulate this with some builder gel because the nail is a bit bumpy. So at this point in time, I was trying to get the last of the builder gel out of this bottle, and I realized, it just wasn't working out. So you know what I had to do? I had to get a new bottle. But I really love this builder gel, so I didn't want any to waste. I wanted to use all. Anyway, this is the new bottle here. It's from Emily, and it's one of the better builder gels I have used. So with the new bottle, look at us. You see how smooth this application is? And we were able to move a whole lot better. So once I cover this entire nail with builder gel, I am going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And these are how they look afterwards. And of course, don't forget to wipe this off with alcohol, because once it's finished curing, there is a very sticky layer that you need to get rid of in order to buff it. So I'm buffing it smooth right now. And even though after you put on the builder gel, it is smooth, I still like to make sure it's extra smooth by buffing the nail out. So once I'm satisfied with how smooth the nail is, I go ahead and wipe it off with alcohol. And I repeated it for all of the nails. And now it's time for that sleek, shiny finish with some top coat. I'll be applying it to all of the nails, and the top coat is also from iGel Beauty. I really like it because it cures really dry in 30 seconds and is very, very shiny. So we're almost to the end of making this set. These are how the nails look, and now I'm placing them here just to check them before packaging. We're laying them out here, and I like to check the nails to make sure that everything is nice and clean and presentable to send to my client. So once I'm satisfied with that, this is my custom card, and I use double-sided tape to apply the nails onto the card. Once I'm finished with that, I will wipe off the nails. I actually didn't get to film that wiping them off and cleaning them off, but I did go outside to get a video of these nails in the sunlight. So that would bring us to the end of this video. Basically, that's it. So thank you for making this set with me, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. Alright, till next time, bye.